really, really important for people to attend the workshop so people get a clear understanding of what the key elements of the Uluru Statement from the Heart is calling for around voice, treaty and truth. It's important that people understand these key components so they can make an informed decision when they need to vote at the referendum.
What makes the workshop so special is that Nicole opens up her heart at each workshop and embeds her lived experience to help all of us make sense of not only what has gone on and how it has impacted on the present, but also why it's so important now that First Nations people have a voice and a say on the matters that are impacting on them.
As an Aboriginal woman, I know that the Uluru Statement from the Heart will bring real social change for my people.
We know that when people from their own communities have a say in matters that impact on them, the results are much more fruitful and successful.
When attending the workshop, most people find that the Uluru Statement from the Heart does align to their own principles and values in life, and that's been really, really important.